High School, 6th Standard, History. Chapter 1, The Indian Subcontinent and History, Part 2. In this chapter, we will learn 1.2, Geographical Features of India, that is continued from Part 1, and 1.3, The Indian Subcontinent. Dear students, our country India extends far and wide. The following regions are seen to be important when we look at the course of Indian history. That is, the Himalayas, the plains of Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers, the Thar Desert, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal regions, and the islands in the seas. These are the 6 important regions. Let's understand it one by one. We will begin with the Himalayas. On this slide, we have Hindu Kush and Himalayan mountains. The impenetrable wall created by the Hindu Kush and Himalayan ranges has separated the Indian subcontinent from the deserts of Central Asia. Impenetrable means impossible to enter or pass through. However, there was a land route through the Khyber and the Bolan passes in the Hindu Kush mountains which was connected to an ancient trade route. The trade route from China, known as Silk Route or Silk Road, passed through Central Asia and reached Arabia. Through this route, silk was exported to the Western countries. Next, the plains of Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. The basins of rivers Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries form in this region. This region extends from Sindh, Punjab in the west to the present-day Bangladesh in the east. The earliest Indian civilization of Harappa and the later states and the empires of the ancient India emerged in this region. Next, the Thar Desert. Thar Desert spreads across Rajasthan, Haryana and some parts of Gujarat. A part of the desert lies in today's Pakistan. Boundaries of Thar Deserts. To the north, the Satluj River, east, the Aravalli mountain range, to the south, the Run of Kutch, and to the west, the Indus or Sindhu River. The Ghaggar River originates in Himachal Pradesh and reaches the Thar Desert. In Pakistan, this river is known as Hakra. The Harappan cities Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Many sites of Harappan civilization are found along dry course of the river in the Rajasthan and Pakistan. The Deccan Plateau. It is a region between the east and the west coast of India that gradually narrows down towards the south. The boundaries of Deccan Plateau. To the west, we have Arabian Sea. To the south, the Indian Ocean. To the east, Bay of Bengal. And to the north, the mountain ranges of Vindhya and Satpura. This region is bounded by the sea on 3 sides. Thus, it is called as a peninsula. The Deccan Plateau occupies the major part of Indian peninsula. The mountain ranges of Deccan Plateau. Towards west, the Sahyadri mountain ranges known as Western Ghats. Towards east, the mountain ranges of Eastern Ghats. To the west of Sahyadri is the coastal region of Konkan and Malabar. And Deccan Plateau is also known as the fertile land. due to which many post-Harappan agrarian cultures flourished in this region. Many kingdoms and smaller empires flourished in the Deccan Plateau, out of which the Maurya Empire was the largest. Coastal regions. Ancient India had trade relation with the western countries which was carried on by the sea routes. Thus, India developed contact and interaction with the foreign cultures and people at the seaports. The islands in the sea. Islands in the Bay of Bengal, the Andaman and Nicobar. Island in the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep. These islands were important in the ancient sea trade. The Periplus of the Aetherian Sea, or the Handbook of the Red Sea. In these manuscripts, the Indian islands have been mentioned by the unknown Greek sailor. The Indian subcontinent. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and India together form the region known as South Asia. By considering the expanse and significance of India, this region is also known as the Indian subcontinent. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are located in today's Pakistan. China and Myanmar are not part of South Asia or Indian subcontinent. However, they had the culture and trade relations with ancient India. Thank you.